Help. Can you help me out? Well, I can't tell you that. Come here, help me out. I need someone that's tough. Are you tough? No, he's not tough. But he's honest. At least he's honest. I'll get that guy in the top row right there. Come here. Yeah, come here. Good to be true to yourself. That's good. I need you right over here. What's your name? Colt? How old are you? 15? That was a tough question. Where did you guys at? Are you married? Hey, it's East Tennessee. Do you have a girlfriend? No? Good. I'm going to find your girlfriend for the show. You wait right there, Colt. You look tough. Have you seen one look that tough since Vanilla Ice back in the 80s? Ma'am. Give her a round of applause. Oh, it'll be so much fun. That was the whole thing, wasn't it?
He's going all right.
I'll stay killed all day. It's okay. This was a freak accident. I feed you right over here. What's your name? Linda? Linda. So, Colton, do you like older women? Linda? Let's make you a cougar. What we're going to do, we're pretending like you two are a pair of these next animals. You're going to be boys and girls. Colton, you're going to be the boy. Linda, you're going to be the girl. See, pretty good so far. You both will enjoy eating things like crickets, roaches, maybe an occasional small rodent or a spider. Sound pretty good? Where you going? Sound good to you? Well, you'll like this part. Since you're the female, you're going to be much bigger and much better looking. Now, in the animal kingdom, it's usually the male that's better looking. Not with this next animal. With this next animal, it's the female. Where's Colt? That means you being the male, you're going to be a lot smaller and a whole lot uglier. Sorry about that. Since you're the female, you'll live to be 20, maybe 25 years. That's not bad, is it? No. I've got more bad news for you. You've got 3 to 5 years. That's it. Sorry. But there's good news. Since you're the guy, you got to ask the lady out on a date. Oh, yeah. Before you ask her out on that date, she's probably going to eat you. If she don't eat you before the date, you're dinner after. You see, Colt, with this next thing, the female usually kills the male right away. Not like with humans, where the female kills the male slowly over the rest of the You guys wait right here. I'm going to get this girl out. We're going to show everybody how to act. This is Rose here. What are you doing down there, Paul? Rose here, tarantula. Now, before my brave helpers hold Rose, we have to remember, she has that big abdomen right here. We don't want to drop her. We drop Rose, she'll go splat. That'd be a bad day for Rose. Now, which one of my brave helpers is going first? Colton, you want to go first, or you want to be a gentleman and let her go first? What a guy. All right, Linda, what I need you to do is put your hand out there nice and flat. We'll let it crawl right in the palm of that hand. I didn't do anything yet. What are you doing? All right, here. Oh, you're going to have to get you one of these. Give her a round of applause. Joe, clap for yourself. That makes a big mess. I'm gonna transfer this crawl back into my hand, okay? Liquid, you did very good. Give her a round of applause. Come here, Colton. Colton, I just want to talk to you. Come here, Colton. Colton. Colton, it's okay. Don't eat chickens. Come here, buddy. I've been holding it this whole time, man. You can do this. Colton, I'm going to make you a deal. I'm going to make you a deal. If you come over here, put your hand out, let her crawl in the palm of your hand. If she hurts you in any way at all, you can kick me as hard as you want. Anywhere you want. Now, Colton, I wouldn't make a deal like that if she's going to hurt you, right? She's going to let her do it? All right, give Colton a round of applause. You see what? Come here. Stand right next to him. Put your hand out here. All right, look at this. Now, I want you to stick your tongue out at Colton. There you go. Give him a round of applause.